So good afternoon. For today's video, I'm about to explain and present to you the implementation of the segment 2. The interface tweaks the delivery service and the vouchers are coupons. So the first thing I did was implementing the interface tweaks. So we have here a top navigation bar containing a home button that once click you will easily go back to the home page. And we also changed the style of the remove item button into an icon. So the second implementation is the delivery service. So we have here display a drop-down list containing different types of carriers, the GRS, LBC, and Misters PD. So the code of this implementation, we have here the code of the delivery service. We use the form and select to display the different types of carriers into a drop-down list. So we also assign values with different values to different carriers, and we also use an if-else statement to ensure that the selected carrier is true, and will display the shipping fee of that carrier. So if we try to navigate this drop down list and select a carrier, this will display the amount or the shipping fee of that carrier. So the third implementation is the coupon. So as you can see, we have here an input or entry that will generate the coupon code, and also display the overall price or the amount to be paid by the buyer in this area. So the code of this coupon is, we have here the code of the coupon. So before that, we created a database, a separated database, which is the coupon table. So we have here a coupon table containing information of the different coupon codes. So we have here the coupon ID, the coupon code, the discount of that coupon, and the status of that coupon, if it's still valid or invalid. So this database, we're going to use this in the code as reference. So we have here this area of the code is where the buyer input the coupon code, and after he entered the coupon code, this button, activate code button, will generate the code, and this portion of the code will display the total amount to be paid by the buyer. So we have here a condition that after the buyer click the activate code button, these following codes will be the possible outcome. So So we have here that if this portion is remain blank and the buyer intentionally or accidentally click the activate code, there will be a message display in the screen says please enter a coupon code. Else if the coupon code entered by the buyer, which is an invalid code, there will be a message that will be displayed in the screen says invalid coupon code. So let's try to enter an invalid code. So, however, if the entered code is valid and available in our database, this following code will generate the coupon code that being entered by the buyer. So we have here a separated PHP file that will do the calculations of the discount of the coupon code and the calculation of the total to get the total amount to be paid by the buyer. So first, we declare a connection to our database and to ensure that the coupon code being entered by the buyer is available in the database. So if the statement is true, this will call the amount of that coupon code and do the calculation by to get the total amount. So let's try to navigate this all implementation. So let's try to we have here a subtotal amount of the product price, which is the with a total amount of $209. So we're going to select a carrier. This will display the amount of shipping fee, as well as it will automatically add the total amount of the price and the shipping fee. So we have here display the calculated amount, which is that each $215. So if you want to have a discount for that total amount, we need to enter a coupon code here. So let's try to enter another coupon code. So as you can see, this coupon code has a discount of 60% off. So the overall price is $86. So let's try to enter another coupon code. Now you see the difference. And that's all the implementation of the segment 2.